that does not work out, I don't mind doing
How
the
do you
same
go
for the
for
guy.
that? How do you go for that?
I might just write a letter, or I might just, speak to the guy face to face.
हेलो मैडम।
हाँ कैसी हो? अच्छा मेरी बहन भी ऐसी है।
What? Let's share a chunk of mozzarella. What? But that's a bit right. Okay, I'll tell you. The one I had, there's this guy who comes up to me and says, "I need a map. I'm lost in your eyes." I'm like, what?
Yeah, there's this pickup line that they check the brand of the dress or the top that girl is wearing and says that, oh, I just wanted to check if you're made in heaven. This is a very gutsy. This is a very gutsy one.
Do you believe in love at first sight, or shall I come again?
Do you believe in love at first sight?
My thesis line was, your vocabulary is poor, will you be my dictionary? Oh, see.
Yeah, hi, it's a dare. Please give me a number. I have to go back to my friend and tell her. Please act all cool.
What about you?
Please. By the way, you are from which college? I'm from Indian Institute of Technology, Kharagpur.
तो मैं डायरेक्ट जाके बोला कि आई थिंक आई हैव सीन यू समवेयर, ठीक है। फिर उसको लगा क्या रे क्या हो गया, ठीक है। फिर वो सोचने लगी कुछ, फिर बोला कि ओह आई वाज रीडिंग अ बुक ऑफ एंजल, योर पिक्चर वाज देयर, ठीक है। फिर
I've lost my number or something. Can I have yours or some shit?
I have lost my number. Can I get yours, please?
You actually use that?
I use it.
What is the kind of response you get?
Sometimes it's like very
Witty remarks.
Sometimes too. The comments are not good sometimes.
It's a special day for me. It's a special day to dress up properly for someone special and go out on an outing with him and spend some quality time together.
Define a date. Define a date.
Find a date.
When you are in a serious relation, for me every day is a date.
Dating is a process which facilitates finding that someone special.
Find a date.
Yes, sir.
Define date. What is a date? What is a date?
Dating.
I've been to a date with my mom.
Yeah.
A date is...
I've been on a date with my dad.
Like a date would be we go out somewhere far away from people, have a quiet coffee together, talk a lot.
Dating. कभी की नहीं यार dating.
आपके सब कुछ तो definition होगा. Some belief or something.
It is probably something that's adopted as, from outside.
Western.
Yeah.
It's a Western borrowing basically.
That's a very American sort of pop culture term. भैया. Brother क्या है भैया? बताओ.
A girl and a boy.
Maybe hanging out somewhere.
It's like when you go for an interview, like for a job interview, you dress up formally first. You are not showing what you are. You are trying to be diplomatic. So because you want that job. So it is similar. Like if you want somebody, so you have to pretend so that they can like you.
Somewhere. Okay, that means dating. आज की बोल रहे हैं
Cozy.
Soothing.
It's something very emotional, very touching. Might be formal too, if on the first date.
Something very emotional, very touching is a date.
No, not
Nothing like that. You have fun and you spend good time.
Way to know each other.
Yeah.
The quality time you can spend with your partner.
कभी यार वास्ता पड़ा नहीं हमारा.
A female partner with you, enjoying at some silent place. According to me, that's date.
And first of all, we are not dating.
जब बंदी को खाने का मन और बंदे को लुटाने का मन.
In the end, you hold hands when you walk back and then you can kiss.
I think dating is like if you like a guy and he's cool and you're cool, then you can date, you can go to movies, you can hang out together.
It's a fruit.
Any valid entry into a calendar?
When
on a particular date.
It's on a particular date and
If that is successful, you will remember that date.
You know what happened with Newton? An apple fell and he discovered gravity. Two lovers went out and they were sitting below a date tree and a date fell and it was a date. That's for applaud.
आपको dating के बारे में क्या लगता है? What do you think dating is all about? Especially in IIT Kharagpur.
Dating is non-existent.
Dating is heavy.
Dating is non-existent. है ही नहीं होगी ठीक है क्यों?
Dating should be fun. Both the people should have should take it sporting. Like first you get to know the people, date, then you come to know, and then you get together. So you should first take it more sportingly and just have fun and get to know each other without having lots of expectations.
जो आपने अभी बोला ना किसी रीजन के लिए IIT खड़गपुर में dating नहीं है क्योंकि किसी को मालूम ही नहीं है dating क्या होता है.
मैंने क्या क्या किया डेट पे?
No, I'm not asking for a personal thing. Just the general. What kind of color?
खाया भी है, ऐश किया हुआ है. बेल्लू उसने भी किया, मैं ऐश किया.
Knowing each other, spending good time, and not paying the bill at the end.
See, that's why people don't fall in love. People refuse to pay up.
Pay bills equally. You should not just superimpose that no guys should pay the bill. Both should pay the bill.
You believe that? You believe that?
भाई जो भी करो पैसा बचाओ, फूल पकड़ाओ उससे ज़्यादा कुछ. और भी कुछ पकड़ा सकते हैं ऐसे कुछ.
Just spending some time together with someone.
Then what's outing?
Outing is date is a classification given by our nomenclatures.
Outing is precursor to date. पहले outing हो फिर date.
तो पता कब चलेगा कि outing से मतलब ये outing है और ये date है?
कोई feel आती है यार. सभी की feel आती है बस आपको.
I guess
outing is
you have to put on your best behavior, which is very difficult for a guy like you know. And so,
And basically on outing you have other things to focus as well.
like
girls, apart from the one who is with you.
मुझे लगता है ऐसा होता है. हम सब के लिए कोई ना कोई बना है. मतलब इसका मतलब ये नहीं है कि वो हम लोगों को पहली ही बार मिल जाएगा, बट हम सब के लिए ऐसा कोई ना कोई तो होता है, कोई स्पेशल होता है.
You might just find that person when you're 15, or even the person when you're find the person maybe when you're 50.
वो तो सच बात है कि हर बंदे के लिए एक बंदी है और हर बंदी के लिए भी एक बंदा है और खास करके कुछ लोगों के लिए 4-5 भी हैं. दोनों के.
Yes, of course. Just like right now, you do not get those Romeo type of guys anymore. Although girls बहुत सारे अच्छे हैं, but we don't really get our right guys easily.
And I would not say it's just one person made for one person. I would say there's a group of people who is made for a group of people, and when one of them meet, then it happens.
But for one night. It's a good line.
One night stay.
For one night.
See, not really. I mean, if you're compatible enough and you are mutually benefiting, then that is what people consider to be made for each other.
तो वो बंदी मिल गई, मतलब हम जिससे सच्चा प्यार करने लगे तो मेड फॉर ईच अदर वही डिफाइन हो जाता है, वहीं पर खत्म.
Definition.
और अगर उसके बाद भी अगर आप इधर उधर जा रहे हैं तो मेड फॉर ईच अदर नहीं था इसका.
It's like made for each other, you become made for each other. Sometimes you're not made for each other, but you become made for each other.
ऐसा भी हो सकता है कि हमने अपने लिए वो रिलेशन बनाया क्योंकि
हम बनाए या मम्मी पापा बनाए,
जो भी
या कोई भी बनाए,
तो अगर तुम्हारा शादी हो गया तो तुम कहोगे कि we are made for each other.
नहीं कोई जरूरत नहीं है.
And in case you keep on believing that she or he was made for me, and then somehow things don't work out, then you are very badly stuck, I guess.
किसी को देखकर आप ये नहीं पहचान सकते हो कि ये आपका लाइफ पार्टनर.
We cannot judge the person of seeing of a face. It's just a crush, you know.
One of my good friend has 3,000 love at first sight. Now that doesn't matter for him.
That is a lust.